Hey guys, this is a 2015 Toyota Fielder 1.5 hybrid model. It's done 111K. Very nice white color, super clear headlight. It's very clear. This car, it's about 3 to 4 liter per 100 kilometer. It's really good on fuel, and even just on battery, it's can drive a bit, like 10 kilometers about. Yeah, depends on how full it's being charged. Yeah, it's really good. It's not like Toyota Aqua or other small hybrid battery one. This one on battery, the capacity can drive quite a bit. Very nice looking station wagon. Tidy black interior. Good space for leg. It's very clean, no rust. Spoiler. Very big boot, and the back seat can fold. It also comes with cover. It's very tidy. Two keys. Yeah, the dash got a small monitor like display here. Stereo, aux, USB, climate control, and down here, eco mode, EV mode. It's got a traction control too. This car comes with 8 airbags, front, side, on the seat, on the side of the seat, also the back seat, 8 airbags. So 5-star safety rating. Quiet, it's on battery now. Quite big hybrid battery. It's tidy, no rust, no oil leaks. It's very nice hybrid